In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the problem when EA isn't sending you a verification code. This usually happens when there's an issue with your email, phone number, or EA servers. First, open your email inbox and check the spam, junk, and promotions folders. Sometimes EA's verification emails land there by mistake. Next, make sure the email address or phone number linked to your EA account is correct. Log into the EA website, go to account settings, security, and confirm that your details are up to date. Add noreply.ea.com to your email contacts or save senders list. This helps your email provider recognize EA's messages as legitimate instead of filtering them. If the code still isn't coming through, switch your verification method. For example, if you're using email, try phone text codes instead, or vice versa. Sometimes the problem is your browser. Try clearing cache and cookies, or log in from a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. You can also try using the EA app directly. If nothing works, you'll need to contact EA Help so they can manually verify your account.